How to unlock iPhone if forgot password. If you forgot the passcode on your iPhone, or if a message says that your iPhone is disabled, learn what to do. If you enter the wrong passcode too many times, you'll see a message that your device is disabled. If you can't remember your passcode, you'll need to erase your iPhone, which deletes your data and settings, including the passcode. If you backed up your iPhone, you can restore your data and settings after restoring your iPhone. If you never backed up your iPhone before you forgot your passcode, you won't be able to save the data on your iPhone. Follow the steps below to remove your passcode. Make sure that your iPhone isn't connected to your computer. Press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Then connect your iPhone to your computer while holding the side button. Keep holding the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. If you backed up your iPhone, after you remove the passcode, restore your data and settings. Thanks for watching.